Ladies and gentlemen, students, special guests and staff, I would like to introduce Kingston Lawson to say the acknowledgement of country.
I'd like to acknowledge that we are gathered here today on the land of the Biripi people. I'd like to pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging. Extend that respect to all Aboriginal people here today. Marabou, thank you.
Welcome to our annual awards presentation assembly with a difference. We thank you for your understanding and support as we adjust our presentation assembly to meet the COVID-19 restrictions and regulations. As the school captains for 2020, we thank everyone for your attendance today and congratulations to the award recipients.
We will begin with attendance awards. To be presented by Christy Ma and Mrs. Long.
Smith family continue to support our school community by rewarding students each term who have excellent attendance. Many of our students show a commitment to their learning through attending school every day and have been recipients of these awards. For Term 4 Book Awards, we have Year 5, Isabella Heil. These students have had 100% attendance for the term. And Year 6, Hayley Amy. Let's congratulate our students. Along with the term awards, the Smith family have generously donated a prize for each grade. Students who received attendance awards throughout the year were placed in a prize draw. The winners for 2020 are, for Year 5, Declan Walters. And Year 6, Kira Ramsey. Let's congratulate these children.
All award winners will have photographs taken and they will return to their classroom. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Hall. Ms. Grieve will now announce our acknowledgements.
Thank you, Josie and Chanel. Each class group of award winners are asked to stay at the front of the assembly who will acknowledge their achievements by clapping when each group has been presented with their awards. So we will start with Miss Morris. Can you come forward, please? And we will start with 5M. Declan Walters, Respect, Responsibility and Endeavour. Caitlin Sedman, Dedication to and Improvement in Reading. Zachariah Betts, Respect, Responsibility and Endeavour. Joseph Davies, Respect, Responsibility and Endeavour. Stevie Park, high achievement and creativity in writing. Indiana Bendel, respect, responsibility and endeavour. Let's congratulate these students. Five, 6G. Lauren Colson, application and effort in all areas. Jessie Cook, application and academic excellence. Kingston Mawson, outstanding role model in all areas. Ebony Griffin, dedication to learning. Ciara Ramsey, improvement and achievement in key learning areas. Joshua Wisely, a positive attitude towards learning. Let's congratulate 5-6G. 6B, Cruz Bliss, excellent in English. Bryden Ashford, excellent work habits and achievement in all areas. Samantha Field, a positive attitude towards her learning. Hunter Gibbs, improvement in all academic areas. Hayley Ainley, for being a positive role model for younger students. Chanel Webber, for outstanding book work and leadership. Let's congratulate 6B. And thank you, Ms. Morris. Our next award is for Aboriginal Achievement. We ask Mrs. Hay to present this award. The Stage 3 award winner is James Gordon. Stay there, please, Mrs. Hay. We'll move to our Values Award. This is presented to Luke Shevel for consistently displaying school values. And stay there again, Mrs. Hay. Our next awards are for sportsmanship. Sportsmanship does not necessarily mean being the best at sport. These awards are selected by all staff members and are awarded to students who demonstrate an excellent attitude and, most importantly, are supportive of their teammates. Now, we have a student who actually still fits into the junior girl category. So, our junior girl is Tiana Gulliford. Senior girl, Riley McLeod. And senior boy, Kingston Mawson. Congratulations, students. And thank you, Mrs. Hay. Mrs. Bleak, can you come forward, please? Mrs. Bleak will present the Awards of Excellence, and this year we have 14 recipients. Matilda Scott. Thomas Baines. Blake Wilson. Charlie Holman. Chloe Emerton. Kira Ramsey. Liam Button. Abigail Hardy. Isabella Heil. Joshua Wisely. Lauren Colson. Madison Starr. Riley McLeod. And Samantha Field. What a fantastic achievement. Please congratulate. Thank you, Mrs. Bliss. The Principal's Award is presented to a student who has shown outstanding commitment to and improvement in a wide range of activities and has been a fine ambassador and role model for our school, representing our school values of respect, responsibility and endeavour. I call on our Principal, Mr. Ryan, to present our next two awards. The recipient of this year's Principal's Award is Chanel Weber. The Citizenship Award is selected by all staff members and is for a student or students who make consistently high and valued contributions to our school community. This year, the award goes to Charlie Holman. Thank you, Mr. Ryan. Our final two awards will be presented by our Deputy Principal, Mrs. Clifton. Each year, bursary awards are presented to students worthy of support to encourage their future learning, and this year we have two students receiving this award. Emily Rushwarden and Mariella Williams. The Chatham Public School 2020. This is an academic award of excellence for high achievement in literacy, numeracy, general academic ability and attendance. This year, the award of Ducks goes to Liam Button. Thank you, Mrs. Clifton. Okay, I would like to ask Jessie and Chanel to come to the stage at this time for the announcement and induction of captains and vice captains for 2020. Okay, we'll start with our vice captains. Our vice captains for 2021 are Lauren Colson and Joseph Davies. And our school captains for 2021 are Tiana Gulliford and Declan Walters. They will now make a very important pledge. You need to repeat after me. As a school leader for 2021, I promise to uphold the rules of Chatham Public School. I promise to set a high standard of conduct and to set a good example for my fellow students. I promise to perform my duties to the best of my ability in class, in school, and in the community. May I present the student leaders of CPS Chatham Public School for 2021. Thank you. Congratulations, leaders. That brings our assembly to an end.